Good answer. I wholeheartedly agree.
Yeah.
I honestly do.
Really did.
It's better probably realistic.
Okay, this is Patricia from Dallas. Yes, where are you? Oh, hey. Everyone's cheering. What's the first cassette/album/CD you ever bought? Like with like our own money kind of thing, or just I think it was maybe like, this is like kind of random, but Lenny Kravitz's like second album, the one that was like where he first like really like broke out. Like I think that one was the first one I bought with like, you know, money from like a job I had or something. So yeah, Lenny Kravitz.
It's a good album.
That is a good one.
One of my favorites.
This question's from Violet.
For Michael.
From Dayton.
Hey.
Where do you see yourself and the band in 5 years? I guess in 5 years we'll be on our like maybe like 5th or 6th album.